Hi, Vinny Lavodi here, tech support at Enabling Devices. Today I'd like to talk to you about one of our ECU devices, or also known as environmental controls, our number 1490 single switch appliance module. So let's get started. This is the 1490 single switch appliance module, and it's going to come with two components. Your power line X10 module, which is the receiver, and there's a on-off switch on that, and then there's also letters on this model, and it's set for A, and you don't need to change that. You leave it on A. This is to pair the two together. And then the other component is the transmitter, and this is what you connect your capability switch to, and the switch we were using was the ultimate switch for the demonstration. These are wireless so that there's no other connection to the devices, so you're able to be away from the appliance, and you can go up to about a 25 to 30 foot range. It takes 2 AA alkaline batteries, must use alkaline batteries in this, and it's rated for appliances up to 600 watts. So an example of something you would not want to use would be like a hair dryer, or say a refrigerator or a microwave, which draws a lot of wattage. You know, some are 7 up to 1100 watts. So what you'd want to use this for would be, a better example would be like a fan or a lamp. A small, like an AM/FM radio would also work fine with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you just very simply plug this into the wall, and then show you how it works with the switch. So what you want to do here is, here's your regular 110 volt AC outlet. I usually plug my appliance in first. Plug it into your receiver, and then plug it into the outlet. This has an antenna that retracts and opens, so you can, if you need to, you can extend it to give you better range. What you want to do most importantly with your appliance is you want to make sure your appliance is set to be on, because this is going to take over the turning on and off of the appliance, so it needs to be set to on at the appliance point. So I have my lamp turned on, and the way to check that before you go over to your switch is there's a little on-off switch test button right here on the actual receiver. So I turned mine on, and I can see that the lamp is on, so I know it's going to work. If it wasn't, I would just switch it till it comes on. So I shut it back off, and we're going to go back over to the switch and turn it back on wirelessly. So what we're going to do now is, on the transmitter end, we're going to plug our switch in and show you how that works. So what we have on the side of the transmitter is there's two modes of activation or operation. There's momentary, and then there's latch. Momentary would mean that when it's set for momentary, that I'd have to sustain activation of the switch in order for the appliance to stay on. So once I let go of the switch, or take my hand off of it, it's going to shut off the appliance. In the latch mode, it's going to work just like an on-off switch on your wall in your house. Hit the switch once, the light comes on, it stays on. Hit the switch again, it shuts it off. You're going to plug your switch in. Okay, now my switch is plugged in. The lamp's on. I'm holding my switch down. I'm going to let it go. Shuts off. Hold it down. Stays on. Let it go. Now I'll switch it over to latch. Turn the switch on once. Lamp stays on. Turns it off. Turn it on. Turn it off. Hi, today we're here with Ben, and we're going to demonstrate two of our products together. It's our item number 1671, the ultimate switch on an 18-inch gooseneck, and we're going to demonstrate that with our single appliance module number 1490. So I'm going to show how easy this is to use and set up. We're going to clamp this onto Ben's wheelchair. And I'm going to adjust this out for Ben so he can activate this. And just plug it in. Okay. Yep, that's it. So again, item 1490, single switch appliance module. You can order this item through our website, enablingdevices.com, or our catalog, and also our phone sales at 1-800-832-8697. This is Vinny Lavodi for Tech Support at Enabling Devices. Hope you enjoyed the video.